Howdy folks, and welcome to Monkey Cookout 21. Sun's out, buns out. In this episode I want to give you a bit of a background of why the cookout started in the first place. Three and a half years ago I had a mental breakdown. Anxiety hit me like a ton of bricks. I didn't know what it was, didn't know what was happening to me, didn't know why it was happening to me. I just knew that it was something that I'd never faced before and I just didn't know how to cope with. After about 2 weeks of not being able to leave the house, I decided to go and cook me breakfast at the top barn at Rivington. I put on Facebook that I was going to go there, and when I arrived there was about 12 people waiting for me, all with the cooking equipment, and they'd left a little space on the wall for me, and that was the start of the Monkey Cookouts. Biking is really good for mental health, because when you're on the bike you've got to concentrate on riding. So come and join us on one of these monkey cookouts. Bring any bike, a stove and a friendly attitude. Be made most welcome. To see when they're happening, join the Monkey Revolution Facebook group and have a look in the events section. Viva! Howdy folks, so we've just turned up Monkey Cookout 21. We've come to Birds Country Park. I'll just show you this camping setup before he takes it off. Look at that on the back of his bike. That's amazing, that bud. Oh, very quick release.
And Louise is starving.
You're starving too.
Starving.
Starving.
Oh, yeah, I was starving you.
Cookout Supreme.
God, it's years since we've been here.
I know.
It's 2 years, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're setting up on a giant mousetrap.
Oh, you want light up?
Look at this. Look at this.
Put it in your things, isn't it? Put it in your back of your top box. Oh, yeah, you should have a lighter.
Trangia aficionados. An original kit I brought.
Easier to put the chicken madras in the flask than it did to do it here.
Bloody hell. Here's one I prepared earlier, Chris, on his chicken madras. Oh, look at that. In a flask as well. It's belting now.
So don't be downwind on the way back.
Oh no. my setup. I'm having triple chili pork sausages. Mix and match.
Coffee, sausages and...
Oh, sausage. So you're not going for your normal...
No.
Normally
No more
Irish stew.
Yeah. Don't they?
We want bacon over here.
Bacon sandwich.
Bacon sandwich. Can't beat it. Can't whack it. You're on a Rex.
Mayo from the
Chicken mayo.
yeah, from the petrol station.
You on butties? Beaver.
These things.
Just looks nice. Look at that. Streaky bacon.
The plant.
Plant burgers.
Plant things.
Nice, eh? They are good. They're just like a beef burger, aren't they? But they're just no fat.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, it's the only time to cook.
Yeah, right, you wouldn't know.
Yes, right, somebody else.
Have we caught a domestic here? We caught a domestic.
Right. I said I do all cooking, it's the only time he bloody cook. I said, and then he just says I do everything else like hell he does.
This is burgers.
I sat on it. No, I didn't.
There's even iron on top now. He's meant to be soft, these pancakes.
Finishing off mine.
Now you know where you're going to.
This is perfect.
A bit brunt. Happy days. And the monkeys disassemble. Yeah, a nice nice bit of nose bag.
No, I'm going to load it back.
So Sean's the bait on this trap. So we've come to a massive mousetrap, and come on, tell us.
It's a mouse trap, not a rat trap.
Tell us, Louise, what you forgot for bring.
Cheese. Got me cheese.
Forgot a cheese.
No cheese though.
Cheese. No cheeseburger.
Mayonnaise.